Good afternoon, everybody. Brett Glover here with Real Life Trading, bringing you a real life stock review. And today we are looking at SMAR, SMARTSHEET Inc. And changing it up a little bit on this video, I'm looking at taking SMARTSHEET to the downside with either put options or shares. My preference would be put options because that's my style of trading. But just looking at SMARTSHEET from a broader picture standpoint on the weekly chart, relatively newer stock from 2018, had a bit of a choppy run up here, broke out of resistance, came back down, failed the retest, bounced off this what now is a lower trend line, came back up, failed in a double top sense, and now we're coming back down. You can see on the weekly chart we did close below this pivot level as well. Flipping on our moving averages, you can see that we also failed our 50 simple, and we have the 8 crossing down towards the 21, though it has not crossed yet. If we jump over to the daily chart, you can see that we are below our 50, 100, and 200 simple moving averages, and our 8 and 21 are on the bear side. Zooming back out here a little bit, if you look at this candle pattern as well, we had a great gap down here, a little bit of a retrace, and price came back down pretty rapidly, broke this pivot strongly on this volume. Inside day, some more bullish indecision, and another bullish inverted hammer, which these 3 candles here create that evening star pattern on good volume, which I really like. So from an entry standpoint, I would be looking for a retest somewhere right at the top of this inverted hammer here. You could do a stop above this pivot or even a little bit higher. From a target level, I'm going to be looking at this horizontal support and this trend line support for a target area. If we drop a fib on here as well, running from our low here to the high, we could see that our 0.786 retracement adds some more confluence to make it a great target. Jumping back to the weekly just briefly, throwing on those moving averages, we also have the 100 simple on a weekly chart in an uptrend as well. So I'm going to be looking for price to come back down to this retest area for my target on the short. And depending on what kind of candle or price action we get around this level, you could certainly look at taking it long after that. So that's all I have for you today. I appreciate you listening. If you have any questions, certainly reach out to anybody in the room, and have a wonderful trading week. Thank you.